What's up, guys? Today my audio is very sensitive. It paused for a second there, but I got it back. Oh, it just stubbed my toe so bad. But yeah, like I said, my audio is very difficult, and we don't have tripod, so we can't do trampoline vlogs for right now. I've been trying. It's gonna keep falling. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do a day in the life for the first video. So let's go inside and see what we can do. So my idea, guys, was to make a Lego fidget, but I'm gonna make one for you guys. So we're gonna tear this one apart. I'm gonna make one for you guys. So time lapse in 3, 2, 1. Stop the time lapse. Now, okay, we've taken off every part. Okay, we took it apart and okay. So what you want to do? Snap toe pieces on like that, and then you're gonna need some of these little things. Snap them on the sides. Gonna need the rest of your two. Snap them on the bottom, and then you got this little thing. I don't know, but here we go. And then you gotta get this thing. Stick it. That's what she said. And then you get this and a little round ball thing. And you stick it in. And that's what she said. And then you get the other one and you put it through the top. That's what she said. You have to have one of these. And then stick one of these flat things on there. You're gonna have to have two of them, and then, you know, two of these little flat pieces, and then two of these. You know, just like that. And then you stick them on, just like that, on both sides. That's what you end up with. A good fidget spinner. Oh my gosh. I can't balance it over my finger. Let's try to do some tricks with this thing. Nope. Let's try it again. I don't know if I broke it or not. It's okay! But you see, the good thing about this type of fidget spinner, it's very durable. And it doesn't break, okay? Spin it, spins long. Got this bean back from my phone. I don't know where my phone's at though. Just kidding, I'm using my phone as a camera. Oh crap, okay. Let's see what it does with this panda bear. It does that. And missed. Dang it. Yeah, you still can't spin it on one finger. Let's try to hop it to one finger. No. Okay, let's get a wider angle. Here we go. No, I'm just kidding. But what we're gonna do next is see what it does to this already broken mask. Just joking with you guys. But we're gonna test this against this. I'm gonna drop it on it. See what it does. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Look at that. No, I'm just kidding. It was already there. It did nothing. So yeah, there's nothing really, there's not actually nothing left to do with this except test it against water, which is what we're going to do. Getting a glass of water without me even noticing that I turned off the lights. But we got the fidget spinner here, got a glass of water here. Hopefully this gets in the camera. 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh, yo! It literally splattered. Let's keep it in there for like, oh my, it flinged water everywhere. And I got that on camera. It's kind of funny. It's like this. Oh my, let's do it again. Let's try to get it.
3, 2. Oh my gosh!
It's getting everywhere. 3. Cool thing about my iPhone is that it has a white back on it, so you can't see it whenever there's water on it. Well, actually, that kind of sucks. No, my PSP is all wet. Crap, I love that thing. I'll use my old pillow to wipe my hands. Yep. Now I gotta clean my PSP. Now, perfect. Set it back on that stand. So yeah, we're not spinning this near. Duck, that's amazing. Ow! Oh, that got all over me. I'm amazing, so we can't do that. But I'm gonna have to end this video here. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Leave a like on this video. Please subscribe, and actually subscribe for more. So peace. There you go.